adventurers, let's go hike the Thurston Lava Tube here in Hawaiʻi Volcanoes National Park. Oh, okay.
Is that what lava looks like?
Yeah, that's what the lava looked like inside of it.
I've never seen.
Let's go on the hike to the Thurston Lava Tube. It's also known as Nāhuku Lava Tube. So if you see the Nāhuku Lava Tube, it is the Thurston one. It's 0.6 miles there, 0.6 miles back. Let's go do the lava tube. It's only 0.6. We can.
It's probably not going to have fun.
Careful, Becky.
Man, that's rough on them old legs.
It is.
Are you sure? I'm going to go find my kids. They're lost in the dark.
I think he's definitely going to fall trying to patch up with Caitlin and Daddy. No worries. This is only 0.6, like it shouldn't be distance-wise. You can take your time, whatever. It is a little steep.
It's a lot steep.
Moderate difficulty. They're hardcore hikers here. It's pretty though, isn't it, Mom?
Daddy, I'm down here, bro.
Do you not think this is pretty, Mom?
Daddy, I'm down here.
It's beautiful. It's full on rainforest. A bit uphill. Oh wow. Whoa. That was a good save, Mom. Whoa, this is cool, huh? Oh, this is cool. Careful. I don't know how far this goes, though. Oh, it's uneven ground. Careful.
Your eyes adjusted.
It's getting wet. It's getting wet here, guys. It's really wet right here. Any point you guys can turn around. Any point you guys can turn around. That is so cool. Saying, do I actually keep going? Whoa, Becky, careful. Been a nice walk through back. Very nice. Okay, I'm kind of loving it. That was great. Definitely bring a phone with like a flashlight. Hard to take pictures, of course, in there, but so cool. Definitely recommend doing the Thurston Lava Tube hike. Very hard to get a parking space, so we have to come around a couple times, but definitely fun. I don't know about that.
I wouldn't. I don't see it.
Yep. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, be adventurous, and we'll see you next time. Bye from Hawaii. Aloha.
You make me whole.